Hi guys, this is Toby Christopher from Learn Create Animate. Today I'm going to break down this Nike commercial for you guys. I'm going to show you how it was made, how it works. Let's watch it. Very cool stuff. The first challenge we're going to tackle is how to make this logo wall over here. And it's made out of shoe boxes. So we're going to have to model a shoe box. Whenever you see identical objects like this, the first thing that comes to mind is a cloner. So let's hop into Cinema 4D. Here we find the cloner under MoGraph. There it is, MoGraph, cloner. And you can see that the identical object being used here is made out of a cube. So I select a cube and make it a child of the cloner. So there it is, parent, child, Papa, Pekin. To create this logo wall, we're going to need to choose the grid array option. And one thing we need to also know is the dimensions of our video. In this case, we are working with 1920 by 1080. You can check that as the render settings over here. 1920 by 1080. So when we check the Nike commercial, we count the sides, how many cubes are on each side, to know our aspect ratio. Aspect ratios are like 16 by 9, 4 by 3. In this case, we have 7 by 6. So we'll break out our calculator and we'll do this simple calculation. 1920 divided by 7 and 1080 divided by 6. So in our cloner options, we input 7 for our width, 6 for the height, and then 1 for the Z depth. So to calculate the size or the full size of the logo wall, we multiply 6 times 274, that's the width of the cube, 5 times 180 for the height, and 0 for the Z depth. We select a camera. So we select our camera, put in a new camera, and on the coordinates tab, we zero every other value in the camera. On the coordinates tab of the camera, we zero everything out, and on the Z depth of the camera, we add minus 1920. That's the dimensions of our video. So we're sending the camera way back to make it an active camera because it's too close to our object. You click on the circle on the right side of your camera to activate your camera. You click on the circle again to deactivate it. So you can move around your scene without affecting your active camera. Now we have our grid wall. I'm going to spend some time modeling this shoebox out of the cube. Now that our shoebox is complete and we have our wall, now it's time to add the Nike logo. I have the Nike logo open in Photoshop. I just remove the red part of the background and we have just the logo. Then I'm going to open up a material in Cinema 4D. I add the logo to the color channel. have successfully learned how to make this logo wall. This is the kind of knowledge I want every one of my students to have, to be able to open any project you see and immediately know how it was made in Cinema 4D. So join my 3D animation training course on the 16th of March. I'll explain how to model any object, how to texture and render. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand everything about Cinema 4D and 3D animation. So contact me on WhatsApp 080-6126-7441, and I hope to see you there.